friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing the last Halloween look for this year, which I call the woman in pink. I was inspired from Pinterest of course, and I will try to find a picture and link it down below. I bought this body paint from an online store, so I just mixed it with water and sprayed it all over my face, shoulders and hands. And don't forget the ears and the hairline. I think I've put too much water because I wish the pink was more bright, but this is fine too. Then I took the beauty blender and more paint and just blended it into my face. Here I've used my Makeup Forever Aqua Brow, and then I wanted to contour using the ABH Modern Renaissance palette, and I am using that dark color. For the highlight, I am using this ABH Moonchild palette, which is such a beautiful palette, and I'm just using that pink highlight which blended so nicely with my look. Then I'm using this pink from Life's a Drag palette, just trying to deepen the crease, and on my lid I have applied the same highlight as I did on my face. Then I did a little wing with my eyeliner as the girl in the picture had. For the black lips, I've used an eye pencil because I didn't have a lipstick, but it worked just as fine. For the tear, I've used this Urban Decay glitter in the color Midnight Cowboy. For the costume, I just had my prom dress which completed the look perfectly. I felt so powerful and beautiful in this costume, and for sure this is what I will be wearing at the next Halloween party. If you like this video, just press the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it will mean so much to me, and I will see you next time. Bye!